Hey guys, it has been a while, but I am procrastinating studying for my certified personal training stuff, you know, as you do. And I figured now was a great time to film an Empties video. So I am going to go through the things that I have used up in the last few months and my thoughts on them, whether I would repurchase them or not. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to get started with makeup products like I normally do. I have a few here actually. So first thing is something that I actually really like. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I bought this in a 2-pack when it was on sale at Ulta, I think. And I actually really like the way that this sprays out. It's a very fine mist. I do feel like it helps my makeup look really nice. It stays on pretty well throughout the day. I'm working on the second one right now, and I would probably repurchase this. This is my favorite that I've had for a while. The last few ones that I've had have been fine, but I didn't love them. This one I liked a lot, and it doesn't really have much of a scent. The first real makeup product that I have here is a concealer. This is the Makeup Forever Full Cover Extreme Camouflage Cream. I could not even tell you what color this is in because the packaging has worn off and I can't tell anymore. This is a waterproof concealer that I absolutely loved. I feel like it blended into the skin super flawlessly. It was great coverage. I got this for my wedding actually, and our 6-year anniversary will be in July, so that means that I've had this for way too long, but it's a more expensive concealer and I wanted to use it up and it's been fine. It hasn't caused me any breakouts or anything, so I kept using it. But I really liked this. I would repurchase it, but I'm going to finish up a few other concealers that I have first. My best friend just texted me about recommendations for concealer and this was the one I recommended her, but I'm not going to purchase it yet. I will repurchase at some point though. It lasted me forever and it was amazing and great. I have a brow product here. This is the Essence Make Me Brow. So these are the little brow gels that have little fibers in them. This one I think was in like brunette maybe. I like this fine. It's nice and cheap. It does give your eyebrows a little extra volume. I would repurchase this. I have another one that I'm working on right now from NYX, I think, because it was at CVS, but I like this one a lot. I have an eyeliner. I believe this is Lottie London, if I remember correctly. I think it's like the AM to PM eyeliner in black. I really did like this one a lot, except for the fact that I don't know if I had it too long or what happened, but I feel like it dried out about halfway through. It's sharpened down and it looks like it's sharpened down a lot, but I sharpened it trying to find the product again and I never saw any product fall out or anything, but I feel like about half of this just went to waste because like the actual pencil inside just disappeared. So I would maybe repurchase this because I really liked the way it looked. It slid on really easily. I felt like it stayed in place pretty nicely. I've been using some other ones lately and I don't feel like they stay on as well, but I was kind of disappointed with how the product just like vanished and I thought I had a ton left. So I might repurchase this one. I'm undecided. If you have any thoughts on this or experiences with the same thing I had, let me know. But as of right now, I'm not going to repurchase it. And then the last thing I have is a sample. This is the Trestique Mini Highlight Stick. This one I really liked a lot. It's just a regular highlight stick. I felt like it was super easy to apply. It looked nice and natural. I don't know that I would run out and buy a full size of it. I have other cream highlighters that I like just as much, like ColourPop. But this one was nice. I'm glad that I used it up. It did look really nice and natural on the skin. Next up, I have facial products, and you can tell for sure that I have spent some time struggling with my skin over the last few months. I've had a lot of maskne because I have to wear a mask every day, all day at school. I've had a lot of hormonal acne, so I have 4 of these Peach Slices Acne Spot Dots. I talk about these all the time. They're basically just these little kind of transparent stickers that you stick on acne basically, and it helps things come to a head faster or pull things out of the skin faster. I find these essential for me because I tend to be a picker otherwise. These help me avoid picking too much. They bring things to the surface a lot faster and they are great. These come in 3 sizes within the pack and I love them. I find them at CVS and I have them on hand all the time because my acne has been a struggle lately. I have 2 products from the Body Shop here. I have the Body Shop Tea Tree Mattifying Lotion and the Body Shop Tea Tree 3-in-1 Wash Scrub Mask. I like both of these. This tends to be my go-to moisturizer because I feel like with my oily skin, it does a nice job of adding a little bonus clarification and then not making me overly oily. The scrub is just fine. I like it, but it's nothing amazing. I will purchase it every so often, but nothing that I need to have. So yes, repurchase me. Next up, I have some facial wipes. These are the Beekman 1802 facial cleansing wipes. These ones were fragrance-free ones. They have goat milk in them. I don't buy these myself, but my mom tends to buy these for me and give them to me for like Christmas and birthdays and things like that. I'm not big on using facial wipes to remove makeup, but I do use these in the morning just as a quick cleanse before I go to the gym. Takes off my night care, skincare. They're nice. I like the vanilla ones. They smell the best. I'm working on a bigger pack of those. I don't purchase these myself, and I probably wouldn't, but I definitely use them up when my mom sends them to me. My absolute favorite makeup remover is the Body Shop Chamomile Sumptuous Cleansing Butter. I've gone through a ton of these. I feel like there's at least one in pretty much every single one of my Empties videos. I like the smell of it. It takes off my makeup really well. It's fairly inexpensive if you get them on sale at the Body Shop, so I buy a couple of these at a time. I like them a lot. I think that this one is the best balm cleanser that I've ever used for a reasonable price. I have a little mini sample here of the Pixi Glow Tonic. I like this okay. I think I bought it because it was on a set on sale at Kohl's or something like that. It's fine. I don't know that I notice a huge difference, especially with these like little mini bottles, but it is nice. I think the glycolic acid does help a little bit, but I don't notice anything major. So it's fine. I don't regularly purchase the full size because it's a little bit expensive for how much you get, but it's all right. I have the Proactive Extra Strength Formula Treatment. I use Proactive a lot of the time. I'm kind of phasing this out and I haven't been using it nearly as much lately. The problem with this is it tends to like stain your clothes. I have a lot of like bleach staining type stuff on a lot of my clothes that I wear to sleep because of this. I do feel like it has been really effective for me. I am very acne prone and I have been since high school, so this has been like a staple since high school, but I am gradually kind of phasing it out. It's good. I still feel like I need it and I use it a couple times a week, but I don't use it every night anymore. And then lastly, for my skincare here is the Ordinary Buffet Multi-Technology Peptide Serum. I have another one of these that I'm currently working on. I like this. I use it in the morning usually, and I feel like it just helps keep my skin a little extra clear, make my skin look a little nicer. I definitely keep repurchasing it, and the Ordinary isn't terribly expensive, which I appreciate. Next up is body care, and I just have a few things here for body care, and it's mostly body wash. So I have the Beekman 1802 Vanilla Absolute Goat Milk Hand and Body Wash. This I have used both as a body wash and a hand wash. I feel like I like the smell enough that using it as a body wash is really nice, but it lasts a long time if I use it as a hand soap. The problem with it is that the formula tends to gunk up in like the push nozzle and then it sprays all over my bathroom. I've had that happen. I'm currently using this as a hand wash in another bottle and I like it a lot. It smells so good. I just wish it wouldn't gunk up the little nozzle so much. So it worked better for me as a body wash for that reason because I didn't notice that problem when I had it as body wash, but I like it a lot. I probably wouldn't purchase it myself. This was a gift from my mom also, but I liked it. One of my absolute favorite body washes, and it has been for years, is the Dove Winter Care. This one just has like a nice kind of fresh scent, and I feel like my skin feels super, super smooth when I'm using it. So I repurchase it around the winter time when it comes out. It does help hydrate my skin and makes it softer and smoother. So I probably need to go out and buy a few more of these before the winter is over. I like it a lot. It's Dove, it's cheap. I'm a fan. I had a little sample of this Raw Sugar Simply Body Wash Lemon Sugar, which reminded me of the smell of Fruit Loops. This is fine. I think I bought it in a set that was on sale at Target at some point. It's fine. It smelled nice. It cleans my body. It's not something that I would run out and buy a full size of, but it works. And then the last body care product I have here is the Pure Goat Milk Soap. This is a fragrance-free one. Again, this is the Beekman 82 that my mom gets me. This is what I'm using as my body wash in my shower right now. It's fine. I'm not a big soap person. I prefer liquid body wash, but I feel like I have a few of these and I want to use them up. It wouldn't be my go-to choice, but it's fine. I don't feel like my skin feels as soft or as smooth as if I were using something like my Dove Winter Care, but it works okay. I have way more hair care than I thought I did, but we're gonna go through here and talk about it. So the first thing I have here is the Schwarzkopf Color Ultime Deep Brunettes in Velvet Brown. This is not the typical color that I go to. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you would see that I have been using Cocoa Red, the same Schwarzkopf brand, but Cocoa Red, for a very, very long time, and that is my favorite hair care color, I think. I used this one because I had the urge to go darker, and then I went darker and I didn't really like it, so it's faded out a little bit since, and I like it a lot better now. I feel like just as I've gotten older, I don't like the dark color on me as much. I feel like the reddish tint makes it look more natural and it gives me more life. So I probably wouldn't get this one again, but it was okay. I have a surprising amount of shampoo and conditioner here. So I have the shampoo and conditioner of the L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Clay Rebalancing Shampoo and Conditioner. This is what I used as my clarifying shampoo and conditioner. It says it's for oily roots and dry ends. I actually liked this a lot. I will probably repurchase these at some point. I have a lot of shampoos and conditioners in my bathroom right now, so I don't need them at the moment, but I did like them. I feel like my hair is a little bit greasier than it's been for a while, but I don't have these in my routine right now, so I liked them enough that I would purchase them again for sure. I have a couple that I feel kind of about. So this is the Garnier Whole Blend Smoothing Conditioner. It's the coconut oil and cocoa butter extracts. This one's supposed to smooth and control frizzy hair. I still have the shampoo in my bathroom. I didn't love this one. It smelled nice, but I didn't feel like it did anything great for my hair. I wouldn't repurchase this particular one. Same with this. This is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 shampoo. I had mentioned the conditioner in my last Empties video. This smells really nice, but I feel like it's way too heavy for my hair, and I feel like it made my hair more greasy and weighed down a lot faster, so I probably wouldn't repurchase these. I really love Eva NYC products, but this one just wasn't the right fit for my hair, so probably not again. So recently, Kaylee Melissa had done a review on the Function of Beauty Target brand Function of Beauty stuff that just came out. So basically you choose a conditioner and shampoo based on your hair type. I went with a wavy type, and then you can add these like little booster packs that do different things. So I got the anti-frizz, the color protection, and the thermal protection ones that I put in my shampoo and conditioner. I don't know how they're working yet. I've only used that shampoo and conditioner about twice, but the little pods that I used here are in my Empties. I figured I'd throw them in there. One thing that I didn't realize when I bought these was that there are 2 pods in each box, one for your shampoo and one for your conditioner. So I bought 2 of them when I bought them, and I didn't need to. I could probably return the other ones, but I'll hang on to them in case I like the shampoo and conditioner and end up getting more. But yeah, so these are all fragrance free, and you just add them in to meet your needs. So Kaylee Melissa said that the ingredients and the things in them were supposed to be amazing, so I'm excited to use them and see what happens with my hair, but thought I'd mention those. I have a style cream here. This is the L'Oreal Air Dry It Undone Style Cream, and it's just a flexible hold, like curl cream kind of. This was fine. I've used some of their other products and I liked them pretty well. Like they had a spray that I liked pretty well, and a gel I think that I liked okay. This one was just fine. I didn't notice anything major with it. I tend to wash my hair, put this in it, and then I would braid it at night and then add some curls and things like that to it the next day. So I don't know that I would necessarily rebuy this one in particular, but it is nice to have kind of a curl cream. It's just fine. It wasn't anything that blew me out of the water. And then lastly for hair care, I have this Body Shop Banana Truly Nourishing Hair Mask. This is for normal to dry hair. This was nice. It made my hair feel nice. I don't know that I would run out and repurchase it again because the smell was not my favorite. Like the fake banana, I'm not into. I have other hair masks that I like better, so this made my hair feel nice, but it's not something that I feel like I have to have. I missed one little hair care product here. I have a little sample of the IGK Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel. This was fine. I know that the IGK brand is more expensive. I have like a hairspray from them, but that's about it. I feel like it worked okay as a gel. I've been trying to add some gel into my hair when I'm scrunching it to give it a little bit more curl and definition. This was fine. I don't think I need it, but it was nice to have a sample of it. All right, my last category is kind of the random stuff. I have 2 things here. These are the protein cookie butter powders. These I buy online. I have the apple pie flavor and the birthday cake flavor, or birthday cake batter flavor. I absolutely love these. These are something that I meant to do a favorites for 2020 and I never did, but I would put these in my 2020 favorites. They are basically just like this extra flavoring that you can put in. So this one has 10 grams of protein, this one has 8. I mix it in with my Greek yogurt, and that's the main way that I use these, so that it's like plain Greek yogurt and then I add this for flavor and extra protein. I've made like protein dough balls with this before. I have made mixed this in and added them to my protein waffles. I have made donuts with it. I feel like it's a really helpful booster. It doesn't have a ton of sugar in it. I think this one has less than 1 gram of sugar. This has no sugar. I like these a lot. I buy them constantly. They are on the spendy side, but I like having them because I do think that they are a great addition to my diet. And then lastly is this Advocare Spark Energy, which is vitamin and amino acid supplement. So it's supposed to add energy and amino acids. So this one is the cranberry apple spice flavor. Normally I've had these before in different flavors and you drink them cold. This one they encourage you to drink hot, and it's interesting because it basically tastes like apple cider if you drink it that way. I've tried it cold before just because I didn't feel like having something hot, and that's such a weird thing to have. Like the apple cider flavor when it's cold is weird, so I'd recommend this hot. I know that Advocare is an MLM and not a lot of people support it. I generally don't buy from it, but I happened to have this because my sister had ordered some stuff and she gave this to me. It was an interesting thing when served cold though. So I finally finished that up. That took me like 2 years, I think, to finish up. So it's fine. It's nothing like outstanding or amazing, but I figured I'd mention it because it was kind of a weird thing. So that is it for my empties. I have a ton of stuff that I'm close to using up, so I'm sure that those will happen in an empties video in the not too distant future. But I would love to hear if you guys have any thoughts on any of the products that I mentioned. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.